Dream Team!
Hello.
Hi, Dream Team! At hello, good evening, Dream Team. At syempre, good evening sa nag-iisang si Direk Rory.
Hello!
Good evening.
Welcome sa inyong for the Dream Team, this is your first ever press con. Of course, si Direk Rory, alam na ang galawan ng isang press con.
First time ko gagawin to kay Direk Rory. Direk Rory, hello po ma'am. Okay, huwag na po ako. Ilang pagpupugay lang po.
Yes, tama talaga.
Gusto ko ba direct ng vlogger ni Direk Rory?
Oo nga. Yun,
Tawag-
Direk, yun po yung audition ni Rob.
Hindi lumevel direct, no? Yung mata walang pagbabago.
May levels po ba Direk yung ganito? Hindi po may levels.
Nakakaloka. Eto na. Good evening sa ating Dream Team actors and actresses at kay Direk Rory, and welcome to your first ever live drama press con. Dito pag-uusapan natin ang mga dapat malaman ng taong bayan ng preparations nyo sa inyong live drama challenge. So, kumusta ang preparation so far, Dream Team? Sinong gustong sumagot?
Thank you so much, Dream Team.
Wala
Wala ka ba?
Oo.
Well, the preparation for the acting itself, it's been, let's not say it's been easy. There have been quite a few challenges, not as a team, but for each individual of the Dream Team. Pero I can say, and I know we can all say, that it's different than other challenges because it's more enjoyable than other challenges.
And let me just say this, you are working with the best ever.
Yes.
Trust me when I say that one.
Talagang lucky kayong lahat.
Oo.
Sobra. Actually, ako gusto ko lang, siguro
Direk.
hindi to, hindi,
Direk Rory.
nakakahiya, wag kang ganyan. Hindi, siguro we'll take this chance na magpasalamat kay Direk Rory for saying yes.
Thank you.
Alam natin na si Direk Rory has worked with the best of the best, pero ngayon, ang katrabaho ni Direk ay ang ating mga housemates. Na ilan may acting experience, pero majority ay wala pa. Kamusta ang experience so far, Direk?
Well, first of all, thank you to PBB for entrusting, for trusting me.
Thank
to
you,
come in here.
Direk.
And I've been enjoying myself really, and I didn't know what to expect. Kasi, I've been watching them, siguro mga 2-3 weeks na. So, medyo nakikita-kita ko na, I was able to identify them already, but I really didn't know what to expect. And when I came here, alam mo, number one, ang gaan-gaan nilang kasama. And then number two, we held an auditions nung tinest natin yung range nilang lahat,
Yes.
diba? At saka medyo pinush ko talaga sila. And I was surprised to see that a lot of them had a wide range. Konting mga workshop lang kailangan mahasa sila. And I can say that in this batch, maraming dediretso at magiging artista talaga.
Wow!
CBN.
Galing.
Kitang-kita mo yung potensyal. Kitang-kita mo, they're all very hardworking. They're all very determined. And yung team spirit nila sobra. Individually, magagaan silang katrabaho. And at yung team spirit nila, grabe. So talagang, it's really been, such an enjoyable experience for me so far.
Kita natin, lahat ng mga housemates, kinikilig.
Iniisip nila,
Magaling.
ako kaya yun?
Ako yun. I have to say lang, Bianca,
Yes.
kasi ang dami ko ng mga na-audition na bago di ba? Sa tagal ko ng director
Yes.
So itong batch talagang nagugulat ako. Sabi, aba, every time they go out of the audition, talagang ninamark ko, okay. And then, konti lang konting improvements lang, but for first-timers and ang gagaling nila, I have to say that. And siguro, kasi I've been watching the past PBB. It is my hope and I really, really think that it is this batch na yung Dream Team ang marami talagang papasok compared to the other batches.
Wow!
Kaya akong sinasabi yan, kasi nakita ko na magagaling sila.
Grabe
Ang sarap
naman.
Pwede bang audition sa
Pumapalakpak ang tenga ng Dream Team na yun. Audition tayo.
Sorry, Robbie,
Kasi yung teens namin dati, parang hindi nasabi yan. Yan tuloy, naging host ako dito.
Ganun talaga, Robbie. Okay.
Pero ayos. Ang galing. Ang swerte nyo talaga, Dream Team.
Okay, everyone, sasabak tayo sa 2 rounds of questioning. At syempre, for the first round, magsisimula tayo with Direk Rory. And we will also end with a question with Direk Rory, who we know is very busy, kaya pagkatapos ng questions niya, we will allow her to go ahead.
Yes.
Okay, Direk, eto. Is this your first time po to direct a live drama?
Yes, it's the first time to direct a live drama. Very exciting.
Buti na pa-oo po kayo.
Ay, oo. Exciting yung concept, exciting yun. So I'm really looking forward to it.
Nung una niyo po naisip or pinesend sa inyo yung live drama, ano po yung pumasok sa isipan niyo? Hindi po ba kayo natakot? Kasi
Una
syempre,
sabi ko, parang imposible ata yun na magkaroon ng drama live. How will you, nakailang meeting kami. Sabi ko, paano mo hahatak yung isang artista to the next set? Nasa 8th floor yung isa, nasa 2nd floor yung isa. At sabi ko, kailangan ito tape, tapos konti lang ang live. Pero sabi ni Adam, hindi pwede. The purpose of a live drama is to really make it exciting, di ba? Yun ang challenge And it's really, really challenging. Very exciting, really. Tapos nung nakuha mo ko talaga yung concept, sabi ko, ay, ibang klase nga nito. The audience is really going to look forward to watching it because yung mga eksena ni-rehearse na namin Yung mga linya alam na nila Ako as a director, confident na ako na alam na nila yung blocking. The challenge and the excitement is really to watch them. Are they gonna make it? Kasi isang pitik lang, cut to the next scene. Pa, si ano ba makakatakbo from one set to the other in time. And in the meantime, habang kunwari nadapa or whatever, yung isang artista na nandun pa, paano niya i-hold yung eksena yan hanggat dumating yung dapat na artista dumating para matuloy yung eksena. So doon mo talaga matetest itong mga dream team na ito. Kasi lalabas talaga yung number 1 yung creativity nila, kung paano nila i-hold at isasalo. Diba sa taping, pag nagkamali, okay, cut, cue.
Yes.
Okay, cut, okay, take 2. Ito walang ganon. Kung may magkamali, bahala sila. Isasaluhin nilang isa't isa. Kung may gumanyan sa dialogue or may nakalimutan nila na line, bahala sila kung paano nila i-save yung isa at mabuo pa yung eksena. And the most exciting thing is how are they gonna get from one set. Like we have a swimming pool who will run to the restaurant, or from the 8th floor running to the 2nd floor, or from the lobby running to the top floor. See, how are they gonna do it? Even if, and with just in a minute or a commercial gap, how are they gonna do it? And if they're running, and we throw them into the scene, syempre yung brain nila ngarag pa, humihingal pa, how are they gonna, when they can't get thrust into the scene, and boom, the presence is right there. So that's the one that I'm really very excited to see how they're gonna do it. Because of my end and on the production's end, ready kami lahat doon It's really sa kanilang play. So that's something to really look forward to.
si Direk, napansin ko lang, si Direk Rory parang excited talaga. Yes.
Excited talaga ako kasi planado na namin sa production
Pero yung house
yung
mates ni Direk,
Yung dream team lahat kinakabahan.
napasukan natin.
parang lahat sila pinagpawisan Direk
Nasa kanila yung bola
Pero totoo, kasi nung narinig natin yung live drama, sinasabi natin, parang play.
Yes.
Pero tama yung sinabi ni Director Roy. Play kasi, iisang stage ka lang, doon at doon ka lang. Ito talagang ang daming ibang factors na,
Dream team!
Akala niyo play to?
Paano kung
Ang kailangan niyo gawin, mag-pray.
At saka di ba tama si Direk, hindi lang kailangan memorize yung lines. Kailangan nandun talaga, andun talaga kayo sa role nyo. Kasi pag nakalimot yung isa, paano sasaluhin nung isa?
Ang buong akala natin, ang pinakamahirapan ng Dream Team, yung hugot, pagbato ng
Yes,
linya,
hindi.
acting, hindi yung technical side, mahirap din pala.